We found this little kitty and over there, and we gave it some food, and it's chomping on it it's like the last food he eats. It's kind of chubby. Here, buddy. Here, buddy. Some more food. 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 No, don't get him away. Don't get him away. Oh, here. He can be here too. This kid can be here too. Nuh-uh. That good kitty.
I think they're trying to fight or not.
Aww. Don't get an angle. Don't get an angle. Oh, so cute. Here's a little black kitty over there.
Yeah,
over there.
Hungry.
It's not hurting anybody. Look how kitty.
Let's go and talk to her.
Here, Kiki. I think it's using the bathroom. Don't disturb it. Aw. Want more. I think that's the last meal of his life.
I think she lost her house.
No, cats can go back to their houses when they choose to.
Yeah. That's her house over there.
Okay, let's... I know what you're going through. I know, 'cause I've been there too. I don't walk right and I don't talk right, but there's nothing wrong with feeling strong. But I know what you're going through. I know, 'cause I've been there too. I don't walk right and I don't talk right, but there's nothing wrong with feeling strong. But wanna be there for you, honey, working my job and making money. I wanna be cool for you, baby. I wanna be cool for you, girl. Tonight, you're my whole world. Look, crust! Sometimes when you're feeling young and you're feeling tough and you're all caught up, you don't walk right and you don't talk right. There ain't nothing wrong with feeling strong, but I know what you're going through. I know you're in there too. I don't walk right. I don't talk right. There's nothing wrong with feeling strong, but wanna be there for you, honey, working my job and making money. I wanna be cool for you, baby. I'm just a fool for you, girl. Tonight, my whole world. Aww. So adorable. So adorable. We fed her some food, or him or her some food.
Jerry is so cute, man.
I wish I can bring this to a shelter, but I'm afraid it's going to get euthanized.
Oh, we have to try one of those at the pet store.
This one.
Hi.
Hi, Fluffy. Fluffy and this one's going to meet for the first time.
Yeah, they're best friends.
Aww.
They're actually best friends.
I don't know. What is he doing? Aww. Don't slap him. Now we be nice to all kitties here. We'll be nice.
Yeah, say that the wanker. And actually not wanker, she's... I know what name they call her. Maybe wanker.
I'm going to call it Random Kitten. I'm going to call it Random Cat.
Okay, Random.
So if he him or her keeps going here and loving us, then we'll give it a name.
Yeah.
Okay?
What name would we call it?
But if it shows up tomorrow when I get home from school, then we're going to name it.
Are we going to have mango?
But if it doesn't, actually, let's just start a name right now. Who do you think we should name this kitten?
Mango.
I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I want to, if it's a boy or a girl, I'm going to name it Chara. Because, from Undertale. But you guys go in the comments. For now, I'm just gonna call it Random Cat.
I'm
Gonna call it Random Cat.
Mango.
No, we're just gonna call it Random Cat for now until the people in the comments say what they think. Oh yeah, and before I go, I just want to give a shout out to Jacksepticeye and Markiplier and PewDiePie.
Oh, she grows.
She grows.
Yeah, she.
I didn't really talk to them, say I was gonna give them a shout out, but I'm just gonna give them a random shout out anyway because they're my favorite YouTubers in the world.
I'm gonna hold.
I think she doesn't like that.
I'm
She doesn't like
wonderful
that.
cat.
So yeah, bye.